Kia ora, everyone. Kia ora, Mr Hantler. Alright, te wiki whakamutunga o Te Reo with Mr Hantler. This is the last week of Te Reo Mr Hantler and this little unit of work we're doing. And we're going to combine all that we've learned over the previous weeks. So if you're stuck, look at your previous sheets to help you. We're going to introduce ourselves with these super important ways of connecting us to other people. Can you see your sheet? I put my papa as the most important thing because if people know him, they're probably going to know me really well. Tōku mama, we know, my mum. Tōku kura is matua school, but you might have a different school. And ingoa is my name. So here we go. Mr. Hantler's going to do his one. Rennie is my father. Jenny is my mama. Yes, my parents' names rhyme. Isn't that hilarious? Matua, tōku kura. And Mr. Hantler, tōku ingoa. So, I need to practice saying it in Te Reo Māori, and I think you should record yourself saying your little mihi just to make it sink in. Kei te pēhea koe I tēnei rā. Now the pictures aren't there, I have to remember. Kei te pēhea koe, And if you want to add something, I might add something for you extra for experts. Can you say āhua? Āhua. Āhua is a little bit, and tino is handi, like real hard out. Tino, so tino harikoa is very happy, and āhua harikoa is a little bit happy. Yeah, so I'm going to write āhua ngenge. You don't have to write āhua or tino. You could just write the adjectives that you know, but if you want to be a flash guy, āhua is a little bit, and tino is handi. Tino ngenge, I would be falling asleep. Kei te pēhea te āhua o te rangi. Now, I think we should practice saying this. Can you say it with me? Kei te pēhea te āhua o te rangi. How is the weather? And I tell you what, I say it every week, but in Tauranga Moana, the sun usually shines, and it is a banger of a day. So, he rangi, paki, tēnei. Ka mau te wehi. He rangi paki tēnei, but you write how the weather is where you are. And here is the test. I need to put these things, ki roto I te reo rangatira, in te reo Māori. I am running. Well, I wouldn't put aho first. I wouldn't put me first because the person doing the thing goes at the end. So, kei te oma aho. I am running. Kapai. The horse is jumping. Now remember, the horse goes at the end of the sentence. Tell your buddy how you think you say the horse is jumping. Tell your buddy. Kapai. Kei te peke te. Did you remember the te? Because it is the horse. Kei te peke te hoiho. Oh, if you got that, give yourself a little pat on the back. And Mr. Hantler is flying. Wouldn't you like to see that? I put the Mr. Hantler at the end. Now, what did I need to denote somebody's name? Did I put te? No? Let's come back to it. Kei te, because it's currently happening. Kei te rere is fly. Kei te rere. Who knows what I put before Mr. Hantler? Nice. Kei te rere Mr. Hantler. And then I'm going to have a bit of fun drawing the pictures there. Read the pictures to Seesaw. Of course, you use whatever medium you have to record and share your information. And I would definitely go and help a friend to finish if you finish early. Thanks so much for doing this Te Reo Māori course with me. Tamariki. Ka kite everyone. Ka kite Mr. Hantler.